I request us to stand up.
Every February, the Judiciary marks the beginning of a new law year, an event attended by members of the Uganda Law Society, judges, and dignitaries. Tomorrow, the Judiciary will celebrate the new law year at the High Court Gardens. However, some members of the society have announced their intention to boycott the event following a High Court ruling that prohibited lawyers from convening an extraordinary meeting to discuss the independence of the judiciary. One of the cited examples of executive interference was a letter from President Yoweri Museveni to the Chief Justice in December regarding the management of Uganda Muslim Supreme Council properties. Some society members sought to address this in the proposed extraordinary meeting. Brian Chirima, a ULS member, applied to the High Court to hold the meeting, arguing that it aimed to discuss an illegal matter. Judge Musa Sekana granted a temporary injunction pending a review.
Well, they were saying that they have a right under the law, section 16, to petition the ULS for an extra general meeting. Yes, they have that right. But they have the right is to further lawful objects. For instance, what is the business of us, these members of the society, discussing about President Museveni's letter about the CG? What business do we have with that? Because in any case, doesn't the president have a right to write to the Chief Justice to intervene on the matter on administration of justice?
One of the lawyers, Eron Kizza, contends that such court orders violate their constitutional right to assemble. He wants all members of the Uganda Law Society to boycott the new law year event.
We are not going for the new law year tomorrow. The reason is that the new law year should be about freedom, about rule of law. And as I speak, lawyers are not even allowed to speak. The Judiciary has issued at least 2 orders stopping us from talking about them, stopping us from even meeting, normally a few hours to those meetings. We think that is unfortunate.
However, the society president Bernard Oundo holds a different view.
The Uganda Law Society is going to attend the opening of the new law year. There are of course some members who think that we shouldn't attend because we got a court decision against us. But when you get a court decision against you, you appeal. As the Uganda Law Society, we are the society that has been telling people that you must respect court orders. Therefore, it is up to us to show an example that even when I disagree with the court order, I respect it, that's number one. But number 2, I will appeal it.
As the Uganda Law Society, we are the members of the Uganda Law Society, and we are saying we are staying away. Whoever attends to tomorrow's year, they are an imposter, and they are people who are happy with the judicial independence, with the rule of law being undermined.
The Judiciary, one of the 3 arms of government, asserts that lawyers have avenues for recourse if unsatisfied with rulings.
When the matters are presented before the courts, the judge has listened to both sides. The judge has to take a decision, and the decision must be without fear or favor. So I do not see why anyone would think that it is gagging them. Nevertheless, a decision was made. The judge pronounced a ruling which in our laws and processes is appealable.
And it's good they say that we know the processes. Indeed we know. That's why we are taking this action. It's within the law. We are showing our dissatisfaction with that decision, with those decisions, because now they are piling up.
It's an opportunity for us to speak on the major issues affecting rule of law in this country. So it is not wise for us to boycott the event.
This marks a second instance of a judge halting lawyers' extraordinary meetings.
It is not about the number of times you come before court. It's the merits of the matter that has been brought before the court.
According to the Judiciary, the president has not interfered with their mandate.
But on Monday, you must have heard the speech of the president. He said the judiciary should be independent. Now you cannot again say that there is infringement.
He is on record writing to the judiciary, telling them what to do in writing, in ink. So the president needs to respect judicial independence in action, not mere puffs, not mere words.
The president is the fountain of honor. He has the right to write to anyone. And I don't have an extra comment over that.
Unhappy with the ruling barring their meeting, the Uganda Law Society plans to appeal Judge Musa Sekana's decision. Sudhir Byaruhanga, NTV.